Hey everybody, welcome back to Highlights at Home, where we have another offering of free digital Thumb of the Purpose resources for you and your kids. Now this month we're observing National Camping Month, and the theme of this new pack-up is Camp Out or Camp In. Camping can be a fun activity for the whole family. Camping takes us away from our screens for a while. It draws us closer to nature, and it strengthens a family bond. Now, part of the appeal of camping is the opportunity to experience darkness in a different way, such as stargazing or sitting around a campfire, or leaning in to listen to the sounds of nature after dark, the tree frogs, the crickets, the owls. In this new pack-up, we've included a hidden pictures puzzle that shows kids enjoying another nighttime camping activity, reading books in a cozy tent by flashlight. Flashlights, of course, are a camping essential. Put a flashlight in the hand of a child who's a little bit afraid of the dark, and he or she will have a much happier camping experience. And you can use flashlights to play games, too. Older kids might enjoy a game of flashlight tag. You can use flashlights to create the right lighting conditions to make shadow puppets on the walls of your tent. And because we're all social distancing, we've included a suggestion here for ways your kids can share their camping experience with friends. A scary story swap, flashlights only, via virtual chat. Be sure to pack a lot of flashlight batteries. And don't forget food. Part of the fun of camping is cooking over a campfire. We've included 2 recipes here that your kids will enjoy: grilled cheese sandwiches and a toasted marshmallow treat for dessert. And if you're camping indoors, we've included ideas here for ways your kids can construct an indoor tent. There are lots of ways that they can do that to make a cozy space where they can enjoy reading, storytelling, playing flashlight games. We hope you'll take a photograph of what they come up with and share it with us. We'd love to see what they can do. However you decide to camp, indoors or outdoors, we know you're going to make a great memory for your children. From all of us at Highlights, stay healthy, stay hopeful. We'll be back in a few days with more free resources. Take care.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.